Now let's look at the stickers that come with the planner. I'll show you how to use them. But first, I'm going to show you how the file looks when you unzip it. It has a GoodNotes sticker file, the Happy Plans planner itself, of course. It has PNG stickers, which you use if you're not using the note-taking app GoodNotes. And all these stickers are pre-cropped. And once again, you use this when you're not using the GoodNotes app. And then it has a star guide. Now this star guide has a lot of helpful video tutorials. So I do recommend you watching this before you get started in your planner. It's really helpful. Okay, so again, this is the GoodNotes sticker file. And what you want to do is hit the import image right there, the icon. And you want to tap GoodNotes. And tap import as new document. And these are the stickers. They are pre-cropped and they are already formatted on the page for you, so I think that's easy to use GoodNotes if you can. And you have some colorful block stickers and cup doodles, and you have heart doodles that are so cute too. All of these stickers are so cute. The colors match the planner. Right here you have a blank sticker where you can write in whatever word you want. You have holiday stickers as well. Now I'm going to show you how to use the stickers. We'll use a cute heart sticker, and it's pretty easy in GoodNotes. So you just hit the lasso tool, make sure the images is on. Green means it's on. Lasso around the sticker, hold copy, go to the planner and the place in the planner where you want to paste the sticker, and then you want to hold and paste, and you can put it anywhere in the planner. Now if you want to delete it, just lasso it, hold and delete, or tap on with your finger and press the X